breathe into this moment of meditation. Just taking a deep breath, allowing our hearts and our minds to welcome in this moment to step apart for a while. This moment to simply breathe and remember. This infinite field of love that exists within, that is accessible in each moment. So I invite you to take a deep inhale, raising the crown of the head high. And on the exhale, just feeling the shoulders relax. Just noticing the energy moving all the way from the root chakra to the crown of the head and back down again. Knowing that there is no right and wrong way to show up to this moment. There is one life, it is God life, it is this life now expressing. Awaken in me the divine remembrance of this truth, so that it may be known from center to circumference, that it may be known in every cell of this body temple, that it may harmonize the very thoughts in this mind temple. Right where I am in this moment, right here, there is enough. Right where I am in this moment, there is enough. I allow this moment to be enough. As we allow our bodies to become still, stillness of the mind follows. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here. All Godness is right here, right now. Inhaling and exhaling. Allowing anything that no longer serves the highest good, individually or collectively, to simply be eliminated in this moment. To simply evaporate into space. And all that is needed and necessary is quickened, mind, body, and spirit. Right here, right now, in the sacred silence. Gently bringing our attention into this moment of awareness. Full and complete. Whole and holy. Restored, mind, body, and spirit. We allow ourselves to fully feel the peace in this moment. The peace of a quiet mind. The peace of a mind that has been offered time in the silence. And gently with your hand on your heart, I invite you to dedicate this mind, this peace, this practice to someone in your world or a situation or a circumstance that is on your heart. May wisdom flow freely. May alignment be established. May divine order prevail. And may love harmonize. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.